He saw the toddlers doing it and decided he could definitely do it better. Born to scoot.
Ven aquí. Ven aquí. Ven aquí. Asher, ven aquí. Vale, no quiere. El arnés de correr. ¿Qué quieres? ¿El de paseo? Sí, el de paseo. Ven, ven. Ven, y te pongo el de paseo. Ah, vale. ¿Qué es el de paseo, Pues nada, recorremos.
Your date is talking about her ex, but the waiter is literally a dog.
You play beautiful music. Oh, a snort too? That was so good. Again like that? Play? So good. Again? I love it. Again? Play? So pretty, Kiki. Good job. Very good.
I know she looks pathetic, like she's shivering and she wants to get out, but watch what she makes me do. It's still a bit too cold for me, so I am not going in the pool. Come on out, Grace. Come on. I'll help you. Come on. And then she does this because she wants me to get in the pool with her. Come on out, Grace. You've been in there for a while. It's time to get out. Come on. Come on. Come on, Gracie. Milo. Milo. Milo.
Tá passeando com a sua casca de bala, filha?
Oi, Lulutinha. A mamãe doa. A mamãe doa.
I went in for groceries and came out with a free roommate.
Free for real.
Best BOGO deal ever.
Free for real.
My wallet is crying, but my heart is full.
Free. All that free. I'm putting in my car right now if it's free. I'm just playing.
Oh, I guess I got a dog, y'all. What should we name him? Hey, what should we name him? This is crazy.
The gym is for people, but the cardio is for cattle dogs. He is definitely tracking his steps for some extra treats later.
Okay, we're starting it. Hey, it's picking up speed. Stop. Good girl. Okay, you want to go faster. I will make it go faster for you. Hold on. There we go.
Dammi.
My dog thinks the vacuum is a final boss and he is definitely losing the level.
Let's go. Yep, come on down. Come on down. Come on down.
Woo! Good job, Luke. That was so fancy.
cat is completely unbothered while the German Shepherd tries to figure out how to be a dog in the middle of a sunbeam.
Babe.
Oh, shit. Hell yeah.
You're trying to stay humble, but you know for a fact that you are the main character of this household.
She's gonna get you in just a minute. Mm-hmm. About done, Roxy? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I told you. Nope.
Dog is taking heel way too literally. Someone tell him he has 4 legs of his own. The oven timer goes off, but you realize you are a dog and have no thumb to open the snacks.
Okay, you're a good boy, right? You're a good boy. Yeah, I know. Oh, good boy. Okay.
You want to play by yourself? Can you play a song about the new baby? So good. Very good. That's so good. Good job.
For dogs is struggling since the new driver keeps trying to eat the handlebars and steering is optional. Bad boy 5 stars.
What is that, Daddy?
Graceful exit or sand snack?
Oh, tuna!
Fought the rug in the rug one. Please send help and tuna immediately. The door opens but your physical form has already transitioned from solid to liquid.
Wah, 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 wah.
Bóng ơi, bóng xinh gái ơi. Một mình chị đứng hạnh thụ trên cột này à? Bóng bóng.
Your human treats you like a sack of potatoes but you are actually a majestic gray cloud of judgment and despair.
Hả? Tự chịu. Tự chịu làm đồ ăn. Có lợn đi ăn gì? Đi xem 3 tháng mới có lợn ấy. Có con mèo nào như thế không? Vứt này à?
You realize that piece of kibble is actually a terrifying floor monster that must be defeated before it can be consumed.
Nhà này à, có trộm. Đấy, không gì đây, cả đây, rồi đấy. Không cái gì là không trộm. Trời ơi. Hỏi công gì đấy? Là gì đấy? Ăn được không hả công? Ôi ôi. Kìa. Muốn đi à? Muốn đi à? Thành ra chị xếp đồ. Nhanh lên. Nhanh lên. Khỉ.